In this video, we'll explore the incredible health benefits of grapefruit. From boosting your immune system to aiding weight loss, understanding its nutritional value is essential. Join us as we uncover how this vibrant fruit can positively impact your overall health and well-being. Rich in nutrients, grapefruit is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. These nutrients support immune function and heart health. With its low-calorie content, grapefruit is a nutritious choice that can enhance your diet while promoting overall wellness. Boosts immune system. Grapefruit is rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient that strengthens the immune system. Studies show that regular consumption can reduce the risk of illness. Incorporating grapefruit into your diet can enhance your health resilience and keep you feeling your best. Aids weight loss. Grapefruit can aid weight management by promoting feelings of fullness, thanks to its high water content. With a low glycemic index and calorie count, it's an excellent choice. Try adding grapefruit to salads or smoothies for a nutritious weight loss boost. Supports heart health. Grapefruit offers significant cardiovascular benefits by helping to lower cholesterol levels and potentially reducing blood pressure. Its rich nutrient profile supports heart health, making it an essential component of a heart-healthy diet. Incorporating grapefruit can contribute to overall cardiovascular wellness. Improves digestion. Grapefruit is a great source of dietary fiber, which aids digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements. Its fiber content helps prevent constipation and supports a healthy gut. Including grapefruit in your diet can enhance overall digestive function and well-being. Regulates blood sugar. Grapefruit can improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for blood sugar control. Studies indicate that regular consumption may help stabilize blood sugar levels. Diabetic individuals should consider incorporating grapefruit into their diet as a tasty way to support their health. Enhances skin health. Grapefruit is rich in antioxidants that combat skin aging and protect against damage. Its high vitamin C content promotes collagen production, essential for youthful skin. Consider using grapefruit juice in DIY masks or incorporating it into your diet for radiant skin. Promotes hydration. Grapefruit has a high water content, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for overall health, supporting bodily functions and energy levels. Enjoy grapefruit during hot weather or after workouts to replenish fluids and refresh your body. Fights inflammation. Grapefruit contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Lowering inflammation is essential for improving overall health and may benefit conditions like arthritis and heart disease. Incorporating grapefruit into your diet can support a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Supports eye health. Grapefruit is rich in vitamin A and antioxidants, which are vital for maintaining good vision. These nutrients can help prevent eye diseases such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Regular consumption of grapefruit supports long-term eye health and enhances overall well-being. Boosts metabolism. Grapefruit can enhance metabolic rate and aid in fat burning, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Studies have linked grapefruit consumption to increased metabolism. Incorporating grapefruit into daily meals can support your weight management goals and overall energy levels. Reduces kidney stones risk. Grapefruit can play a role in kidney health by helping to prevent kidney stones. Its compounds can affect urine acidity and mineral balance, reducing stone formation. Staying hydrated with grapefruit juice is a delicious way to support kidney function and overall health. Improves mood. Grapefruit has mood-enhancing properties, largely due to its refreshing citrus scent, which can uplift spirits. Studies show that grapefruit can help reduce stress and anxiety. Incorporating grapefruit into aromatherapy can create a calming environment and promote a positive mindset throughout the day. Supports healthy hair. Grapefruit is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that promote hair growth and strengthen strands. Its natural properties can help combat dandruff, keeping the scalp healthy. Consider using grapefruit juice in hair masks or rinses for added shine and nourishment in your hair care routine. Enhances athletic performance. Grapefruit can significantly benefit athletes by improving endurance and aiding recovery. Its high water content helps with hydration, while essential nutrients replenish energy levels. Athletes should consider including grapefruit in their diet to enhance performance and support overall fitness goals. May prevent certain cancers. Studies suggest that grapefruit consumption may be linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. Its rich antioxidants help combat free radicals, which can damage cells. Incorporating grapefruit into a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can support overall cancer prevention efforts. Supports liver health. Grapefruit has powerful detoxifying properties that benefit liver function. It can help reduce the risk of fatty liver disease by promoting fat metabolism. Regular consumption of grapefruit can support liver health and enhance the body's natural detoxification processes for overall well-being. In summary, grapefruit offers numerous health benefits, including boosting immunity, aiding digestion, and supporting heart health. Incorporating this nutritious fruit into your diet can enhance overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others.